Hudson. Hey, I'm Maisyn.
What are you guys going to make today?
Slide.
All right. So what did you start with, Macy? What is that? Glue. How much glue did you start with, Hudson?
A half a cup.
Half a cup of glue. Go ahead and pour it in your bowl there, Macy. Ew, make sure you get it all in there.
Can I touch it?
Yeah. Ew. All right. All right, Hudson. Pour your bottle of glue into the measuring cup. As soon as she gets hers all out of there, now you're going to pour yours in. That's good, Mace. That's good.
And now it's my turn. Ew.
Now it's Hudson's turn. He's got... Ew.
Man, they're so sticky. Sticky.
Is it coming out for you?
Yep.
Here, Mason.
Coming great.
Good. Make sure you all empties out into there. That's going to be the bulk of your slime. Is that glue right there?
Ooh, that was pretty blue.
Yeah.
Ooh. Shake it up.
All right, that's probably good. So go ahead and just finish up what you got there on the end, okay? All right, so next we're going to add some baking soda. We don't need a lot of baking soda. Go ahead and pour some in. I'll tell you when to stop. It's open. Just go ahead and... That's probably good right there. I put some in Mason's. Mason, you don't need a whole lot. It's already open. Just... That's probably good right there. Stop. All right. Can you mix that up a little bit? What you got right there?
With my hands?
Yeah.
Ew. Ew. Oh, look, guys. Those are some.
Yeah, and then we're going to add some contact solution. That's going to make it form into slime.
Ew.
Ready?
Yeah. Can I pour it in? Yeah.
All right, go ahead and mix that up.
I don't
You just
really
need a
see
little
it.
tiny squirt of
I don't
contact
see
lens
it.
solution.
I don't see anything.
You don't have to see anything. Is it starting to form?
Bonnie?
A little more, yeah.
Ooh,
There you go.
What
What do you guys think? This
Nice.
fun?
Yeah.
Just don't get it on the floor, Mason.
I should just do.
Keep mixing it up really good.
Whoa. Look at this.
Yeah. A little bit more of this. Just a touch more. Touch more. There you go.
How's it supposed to look when it's ready?
Like slime. You know what slime looks like?
Yeah.
All right, that's what it's supposed to look like. You know what slime looks like. You've bought it 100 times. No, you're good. Keep working with it.
How is it green? Can I pour it here?
Yeah.
I don't have that stuff.
Sure.
You're still it on me.
I'm sorry.
At the lid.
Scrape it out. Mmm. Slimy. Gooey.
How do you hate when it comes? Okay.
All right.
It's stuck in my hand.
Yeah, just keep playing with it. It'll let go here eventually.
Whoa, whoa. Whee! Oh, whee! I'll mix it up. Look, guys. Look, I'm mixing it. Me too. Ooh. Ah! Wow, look at my smile. Whee! Oh, mine's pink. Mine's blue. Mine's pink. Look at mine. You want pink or blue today? What do you want, guys?
Who's gonna have better looking slime?
What?
Who's gonna have the better looking slime?
Me.
And
No,
some spoons.
me.
You know,
Okay, great. Okay, ew. likes to make messes a lot. You know me. I make messes.
Look at Hudson. This is turning into something good.
Ew. Get this off of my hands.
Use your spoon a little bit, Mace.
No, turn it off my hands. I need a really wet. Can I pour some water in here?
No.
Maisy wants to pour water or slime. Yes, Vicky. Oh. And she just splattered. Hallelujah. Now I'm going to play with it, guys.
Is it time to play with it, Hudson?
I can start mine. Stuck.
Try to get it off.
Come on, guys. Oh, wait. Let's keep on. This is fun. Oh gosh, how do I get it? Well, what? Looks like strawberry ice cream. Pretty much to me. Oh no, it's done. Yank. Oh, too bad. That won't get off. Oh, shit. There's not slime on my shorts. That's great. Right, guys? And gosh. Oh, no. I got slime on my shorts, Dad. Dad, I got slime on my shorts. Well, better luck. That's bad luck, guys. Look, guys.
Let's add just a little bit more baking soda.
Oh. Can you put a water on? Thanks.
There you go, work with that.
Oh, there you go. I think you got me a little too much. Well, mine's perfect.
Mix it in with your hands.
Okay. Oh, damn it. It's stuck in there.
It's okay, it'll come off.
Just work with it. Yeet.
Just work with it.
Just have to yank it off. Oh no, now it's stuck to the white. Oh dear. There we go. There we go. Oh no, that's stuck in there. There we go.
Just use it and stir it with.
Start playing with it. I'll start playing. Daddy, stir more. Can I have some more baking soda?
Just keep stirring it.
In my hands. Look at mine, guys. Look at mine, guys. What do you want, Pink? What's yours to win? Whee! Wow, stretchy. What?
So as we're learning, this is a trial and error type of activity. We had to add in more baking soda, add in more contact solution.
It's marble.
We used all the glue that we had.
You need quite a bit. You need quite a bit. Whoa, look at mine. Oh gosh, I got it all over my hands. Well, I only have to wash your hands after this.
I would think so. I think it'll be all right.
You don't get stuck into our mouth. Oh gosh, do you put some on my hands so we can get unstuck? You might get unstuck. Oh, now my hands are baking soda.
What do you guys think? What do you rate this activity from 1 to 10? 10 being the most fun. 1 is the most boring. What do you rate it?
10.
10? Most fun? What do you think, Macy?
200.
200 out of 10. All right, you heard it. This activity is a 200 out of 10, Macy says. So try this at home and let us know what you think. And see if you were more successful than us at making slime.
Mine looks like blue raspberry. Mine looks like bubble gum.
you guys think?
Great. There we go. Now it's done. Oh gosh, I got this thing. I got slime all over my hand. Wait. Slime all over my shirt.
Macy, yours was looking good.
I got slime all over me. Uh-oh, I just burped. Wow. Wee. Look at this. Look at this. God, it's all stretchy. It's all stretchy. Mine's not. I have some more baking soda.
Gonna try some more baking soda?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's try.
Yeah. Some more baking soda. Whoa. This feels like dough. This feels like dough. Yeah, the baking soda does. Hey. You're gonna make a mess. It's a mess. It's stuck. The ball's stuck. Ah! Wee. Ooh. I don't know. Ooh. Stretchy. Oh no. There we go. Ah. Wow, Hudson. Oh gosh, that's one on the carpet. It's Wow, Hudson, yours looks good. Well done. Whoa, that has my baking soda. What's this called?
Contact lens solution.
That's more of that. Makes it all stretchy.
Yeah.
Oh, Hudson, you have all over your bracelet. Wash your bracelet. Woo! Oh no. Ah, Hudson got that stuck on me. Guess we're baking
I
soda.
think you pretty much made the slime now.
I heard baking soda.
I think you're good, buddy.
And I'm not a buddy.
What are you?
A girl.
I think you got. No, I think you're good. I think you've made the slime. I think that's what it's supposed to look like.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
This lame, I'm pretty good.
All right, guys.
Why is the sparkles not there no more?
We're gonna go enjoy our slime and play with it. Let us know what you think. Let us know if you try this and how it worked out for you. Remember, it's just trial and error. Just using a bottle of Elmer's glue, baking soda, and contact lens solution. Just adding a little bit at a time until you get that right consistency.
We might do this another day. Right?
Yeah, sure. That's pretty fun. All right, guys. Well, we'll see you later. See you next time.
Bye.
This is Hudson. This is Macy saying good night.